In this video, we will understand the TINYTECH groundnut oil plant and its capacity in a simple way. Peanut with shell is called groundnut, and the seeds of the groundnut are called peanuts. First, let's understand the meaning of TPD. TPD means ton per day, which is how much raw material is processed in 24 hours. If you take a 3.5 TPD plant, it means 3,500 kilograms of groundnuts will be processed in 24 hours. We are talking about 3,500 kilograms of groundnuts with shells. This means 3,000 kilograms of peanuts will be crushed. If we divide 3,000 kilograms by 24, then 125 kilograms of seeds will be crushed per hour. Now let's talk about oil extraction. The oil percentage in peanuts depends on the quality of the seeds. In average quality, about 42 to 45% oil is extracted, and in the best quality, it can go up to 48%. Here, we take an average of 42%. In oil expeller, approximately 125 kilograms of peanuts are crushed in 1 hour and 42% oil will be extracted, which is approximately 52.5 kilograms. Now if the expeller runs for 12 hours, we multiply 52 kilograms by 12, so approximately 630 kilograms of oil will be produced. That means in 12 hours, approximately 600 to 700 liters of oil will be produced. 24 hours, approximately 1,200 kilograms of oil is produced. If we talk in terms of tins, 1,200 divided by 15 equals 80 tins of oil. If you take a 7 TPD plant, which includes 2 expellers, the production will be doubled. This means 7,000 kilograms of groundnuts will be processed per day and approximately 2,400 kilograms of oil will be produced. That means 150 to 160 tins of 15 kilograms each. Because the 7 TPD plant has 2 expellers, the plant becomes automatic, where the oil cake will automatically move from one expeller to the second expeller through a conveyor. And in 14 TPD, there are 4 expellers, so the capacity will multiply and oil production will be 4,800 kilograms in 24 hours. Now talking about the power connection. One expeller requires a 12.5 horsepower motor. So, in 3.5 tons per day plant, 12.5 horsepower plus 2 horsepower for the groundnut decorticator machine, and if an electric boiler is used, approximately 35 horsepower power is required. In a 7 tons per day plant, 25 horsepower for the two 12.5 horsepower expellers plus groundnut decorticator, conveyors, pump and electric boiler of 18 kilowatts. A total of 58 horsepower connection is required. And in 14 tons per day, 50 horsepower for the 4 12.5 horsepower expellers plus other machines with wood-fired boiler, a total 65 horsepower is required. And if you want to run the plant using electric boiler, then total 95 horsepower is required. This way, you can easily calculate the total capacity and oil production of a TINYTECH groundnut oil plant. For more information, please contact the company anytime.